Hey, C-Ray, let's get to the adventure at Grand Canyon today. Do you have any questions?
Colin, well, you know how I feel about fitness, and I know I could hike at the South Rim, but is there anything else I could do?
There absolutely is, and I'm glad you asked. Let's jump over and take a look at it. You can actually go bicycling at the South
Oh,
Rim.
cool.
So here is where you can bike Grand Canyon. This is GrandCanyon.com. This is Bright Angel Bicycles, and they offer you the opportunity to skip the crowds and ride the quiet side rim trails. Let's jump in and take a look at their video here on the homepage for just a minute.
Come for the biggest canyon, not the biggest crowd. Come for the epic light, not the endless lines. Come for spectacular views and sublime sunsets. And come for the locals, all the locals. Come for the most memorable day on your vacation, the most shareable photo opportunities, and the most amazing activity that Grand Canyon National Park has to offer. Rent a bike and ride the rim with Bright Angel Bicycles and Cafe at the South Rim.
This is one of those new and unique experiences that you can come enjoy at the South Rim of the Grand Canyon. Make sure that you are fit and ready for your bicycle trip and jump on over here to Bright Angel Bicycles and Cafe at GrandCanyon.com and come enjoy the Grand Canyon.